At the end of the video, we'll point you to a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot. Starting an LLC, limited liability company, in Georgia involves several steps. Here's a general guide to get you started. 1. Choose a name. Pick a unique name for your LLC that complies with Georgia's naming requirements. The name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or similar abbreviations. Ensure the name is not already in use by another business in Georgia. 2. File Articles of Organization. You'll need to file Articles of Organization with the Georgia Secretary of State. You can do this online through the Georgia Secretary of State's website or by mail. You'll need to provide information such as the LLC's name, address, registered agent, and management structure. 3. Appoint a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or entity authorized to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Georgia. This could be yourself, another member of the LLC, or a registered agent service. 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by law, it's a good idea to create an operating agreement that outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. This document can help prevent disputes among members in the future. 5. Obtain an EIN. An Employer Identification Number, EIN, is a unique identifier for your LLC, similar to a Social Security number for an individual. You'll need an EIN for federal tax purposes, hiring employees, opening a business bank account, and more. You can apply for an EIN for free on the IRS website. 6. Comply with business licenses and permits. Depending on your business type and location, you may need to obtain specific licenses or permits to operate legally in Georgia. Check with your local county and city government offices to determine what's required for your business. 7. File annual reports. Georgia requires LLCs to file an annual report with the Secretary of State. This report is due between January 1st and April 1st each year and includes information about the LLC's members, managers, and registered agent. 8. Pay taxes. Your LLC may be subject to various state and federal taxes, including income tax, sales tax, and employment taxes. Make sure to register with the Georgia Department of Revenue for state tax purposes and the IRS for federal tax purposes. 9. Maintain compliance. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements for your LLC, such as filing taxes on time, renewing business licenses and permits, and keeping accurate financial records. It's always a good idea to consult with a business attorney or tax professional when starting an LLC to ensure you're meeting all legal requirements and setting up your business correctly. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, go to the description below this video for a resource that will walk you through the process step by step and allow you to form an LLC for free. In addition, you will get a surprise gift that will help you to start your business on the right foot.